In this video, I am going to demonstrate you a component called chart zoomer. So before that, let me show you that right now there is no code or modules. Now I'll go to the code repository and now I'll add this component called chart zoomer. Now you can see that this module has been added. Now I'll create another module and name it as mod events. So as a standard practice, I'll put option explicit. Now I'll go to the mod chart zoomer and I'll copy this example code. Now there is two ways to call the chart zoomer. I will use the second way, which is more generic, and I have this SHT data, so I will replace it with SHT data and I will specify application.caller. So application.caller will give us access to the object that call this macro. So and I will assign this as a macro. So I'll right click on this and assign macro chart click, and on this also assign macro. Now if I click on this chart, you can see the magic, and I can click on this toggle data label or toggle grid line. You can also click on this bar chart and you can see the same magic. One thing which is important to mention here is that you can add your own buttons or you can remove the existing buttons. So there is a function called add zoomer button. With the help of this, you can add your own functionality if you like. You can specify the name of your new button and you can specify the position from where this button should display. For instance, if I give it 400, and I can specify the event which will be triggered when this button is clicked. Say for instance, button new click. See this. It is a very wonderful functionality, and whenever you have any chart in a dashboard, this is one of the must-have functionalities of Xatocode. Please subscribe to the channel to learn more about Xatocode. Thanks for watching.